Now we're ready to go ahead with using 2 hand sticks and the baton. So I'm going to just go into the tick-tock, just like normal. Notice I'm allowing the baton to fall until it's horizontal so that I have nice control over it. When it's in my left hand, I'm going to prepare my right hand to go down and catch it in the middle, or below the middle, right? So I'm going back and forth. I catch it in the left hand, prepare, scoop, and stop. Okay, now I'm going to do that again. Prepare, stop. Prepare, stop. So you just want to be able to take that one step, just one turn, and then you will develop the muscle memory to do more than that. Once you've done it on one side, make sure that you do it on the other side. Stop. Scoop, stop. Scoop, stop. Once you're comfortable with these, try 2 scoops. So I'm going to use my right hand to do this. I prepare, scoop, scoop, stop. And notice when I'm doing the scooping, I'm letting go of the baton and I'm not staying in contact with it the whole time. That's one of the biggest mistakes that I see people doing, is that they try to stay in contact with it and they follow it around, and then you just end up rolling the baton on your hand stick until you're on the far side, which, that's cool. There's no wrong move or something like that, but it's not going to get you the goal of being able to do this continuously, which I imagine is probably one of your goals if you're watching this video. So we're going to scoop it, stop, and I'm going to prove to you that I am truly releasing contact with the baton by swinging my arm out really far, right? I can go out super far, and the scoop still happens. So my suggestion is that you start trying it just 2 times, and then 3 times, and then 4 times. Notice every time that I'm doing this, because of the way that I've shown you to do it, the baton always rotates so that it goes from the bottom up between my arms, right? On this side, it goes up between my arms. Then when you go to this side, it goes up between my arms. And so my suggestion is that you figure out how to do it the other way in both hands as well. However, it's not quite as easy to get into it in the other direction. One way you can do it is you can do a one-handed a one-handed flip-flop. And when you're on the catch over here, so that the center is out past your elbow, you're going to catch it on the bottom instead, right? So there's this catch it on the bottom so that you do the propeller. And as always, do that with both hands. So I'm doing it here, catch it on the bottom, and catch it on the bottom. Another way you can do it is you can go into the propeller with one hand, and then you can scoop in with the other hand. Of course, this technique is more advanced, but it is worth working on. I would start with just one extra hand sneaking in. So notice I'm doing it in my right hand, and I just sneak my left hand in there. Or if I was doing it on my left hand, I can just sneak my right hand in there, because that just kind of gives you the experience of turning it once. As you get more comfortable with it, then you can work on doing multiple turns in the hand that it has traded off to. And then once you're really feeling ninja, you can start practicing switching hands every single time, and really notice that my body is comfortable while I'm doing this. I'm not like doing a whole lot of work. I'm not going super fast. My hand sticks are just lightly moving in and out of it. I think that this is important because if you practice tense, that's how your style is going to develop. And that will really take a toll on your body if you ingrain intensity and, real strict muscle focus. So try to remain relaxed as you're learning this move. And one more time, the propeller looks like that.